granules, very coarse granules. So this is the basophil, chambahan. A basophil that has been ruptured, destroyed, but still a basophil because of the presence of very coarse granules. The place has been obscured.
Mukha ko nakita.